In 2025, the skies are no longer peaceful. They're battlefields of innovation. On one side, Israel's cutting-edge stealth drones and AI jets. On the other, China's massive aerial dominance and hypersonic power. Who truly controls the air? Let's find out. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most intense comparisons of modern warfare, Air Power 2025, Israel vs. China. Both nations are redefining the future of aerial combat, not through numbers alone, but through technology, precision, and strategy. Israel, a small nation with a massive defense industry, has proven that innovation can outweigh size. Meanwhile, China's People's Liberation Army Air Force, a PLAAF, has transformed into one of the largest and most advanced forces in the world. But who would dominate the skies if these two powers ever faced off? In this video, we'll analyze their air fleets, AI integration, stealth capabilities, drones, radar systems, and long-range strike technologies. So strap in, because this battle isn't about who has more jets. It's about who can control the invisible war above the clouds. Let's begin with Israel's incredible transformation in air technology. Over the past 2 decades, Israel has quietly built one of the most advanced air defense networks in the world. The Israeli Air Force, IAF, doesn't rely on numbers. It relies on brains and precision. From the F-35 Adir, customized with Israeli-made software, to domestically developed drones like the Heron and Iton, Israel has mastered the art of technological warfare. These aircraft aren't just fast, they're smart. The F-35I's onboard systems can integrate directly with Israel's digital defense grid, providing real-time battlefield awareness. Israel's approach focuses on networked warfare, linking every aircraft, radar, and missile into one synchronized ecosystem. This integration allows for lightning-fast decision-making in combat. Moreover, Israel's combat pilots are some of the most highly trained in the world, averaging far more flight hours than most global air forces. It's not about having the biggest fleet, it's about having the most intelligent one. But while Israel perfects precision, China is expanding at an unprecedented scale. China's air power evolution is nothing short of astonishing. In just 20 years, it has shifted from outdated Soviet designs to producing cutting-edge stealth fighters, bombers, and hypersonic missiles. The backbone of China's modern fleet is the J-20 Mighty Dragon, a fifth-generation stealth fighter designed to rival the US F-22 and F-35. Backed by massive industrial power, China's aerospace programs are expanding rapidly, from the H-20 stealth bomber to swarms of AI-powered drones. The PLAAF emphasizes quantity and capability, creating a powerful blend of advanced aircraft and sheer numbers. With over 2,000 combat aircraft, China now challenges US and allied air superiority across Asia. But what truly sets China apart is its investment in data fusion, satellite networks, and long-range strike systems capable of reaching thousands of kilometers. While Israel focuses on surgical strikes and real-time defense, China aims for regional air dominance, projecting power across the Pacific and beyond. However, quantity alone doesn't guarantee victory. The real challenge lies in adaptability and battlefield intelligence. In modern air combat, stealth isn't about being invisible. It's about being undetectable for just long enough. Israel's F-35 Adir offers radar-absorbing materials, infrared suppression, and advanced sensor fusion, giving it a significant edge in first strike capability. But China's J-20 brings something different to the fight. Its design prioritizes long-range engagement and advanced radar jamming systems. The battle between radar and stealth becomes a technological chess match. Israel's radar systems, such as the ELVM 2084 used in Iron Dome, have evolved to detect even stealthy objects using multi-band frequencies. Meanwhile, China has invested heavily in quantum radar research, a system theoretically capable of detecting stealth fighters. If perfected, it could change the game entirely. However, stealth isn't just about aircraft, it's about deception, decoys, false radar signals, and AI-driven countermeasures. Both nations are entering a new dimension of electronic warfare where milliseconds determine survival. No nation uses drones like Israel. From surveillance to precision strikes, Israeli drones have set the global standard. Systems like the Heron TP Harop and Hermes 900 can conduct deep strike missions without risking pilots. The Harop kamikaze drone can loiter for hours, identify targets, and destroy them autonomously. Israel exports its drone tech worldwide, shaping how nations conduct modern air combat. China, however, is catching up fast. The Wing Lung and CH series drones are mass-produced, exported, and capable of armed reconnaissance. China is also experimenting with swarm drone tactics, hundreds of mini drones working together to overwhelm enemy defenses. Where Israel focuses on surgical precision, China pushes for saturation dominance. In a real conflict, Israel's smarter, data-linked drones could outmaneuver China's larger swarms. But if those swarms grow intelligent enough, the balance might shift dramatically. When it comes to speed, China takes the lead. Its DF-ZF hypersonic glide vehicle can travel over Mach 5, capable of evading most missile defenses. Combined with air-launched variants, China's long-range strike power is terrifying. Meanwhile, Israel doesn't rely on hypersonics yet, but its precision-guided missiles and advanced air launch systems fill that gap. The Rampage missile, developed by Israel Aerospace Industries, can strike targets 150 kilometers away with pinpoint accuracy. Israel's philosophy is simple: accuracy over speed. Its integrated system can detect incoming threats and counter them within seconds using the Iron Dome, David's Sling, and Arrow missile systems. China's strength is reach, Israel's is reaction. In any potential clash, both nations would rely on preemptive strikes, but Israel's experience in rapid response could provide a tactical edge. In 2025, AI isn't just supporting pilots, it's becoming one. Israel's defense startups lead in AI-driven targeting and flight analytics. Autonomous systems can analyze enemy patterns, optimize flight paths, and even engage in simulated dogfights. On the other side, China's AI research focuses on scale, coordinating entire fleets using machine learning algorithms. China's Skynet system integrates satellites, sensors, and drones into a unified AI surveillance grid. The danger: whoever controls the algorithm controls the sky. Cyber warfare is the invisible front line, hacking enemy radar, spoofing GPS signals, or disrupting communications mid-battle. Israel's Unit 8200 is legendary for its cyber capabilities, while China's strategic support force can paralyze enemy networks. In a future war, the first missile may not be physical, it could be a line of code. Technology can't replace experience. Israel's pilots are among the best trained in the world, forged through decades of real combat missions. The Israeli Air Force trains under high pressure, real-world scenarios almost weekly. Each pilot develops deep tactical awareness and improvisation skills. China's training, once criticized as rigid, has drastically improved. The PLAF now conducts realistic exercises and international drills to simulate modern warfare. Yet, combat-tested experience remains Israel's edge. Its pilots have faced actual wartime engagements, while China's experience remains mostly simulated. However, China compensates with advanced simulators and massive pilot training programs. In numbers, China wins. In adaptability, Israel does. A clash between them would pit experience against evolution, and that's where unpredictability reigns. Israel's multi-layered defense network is one of the most advanced ever built. The Iron Dome, David's Sling, and Arrow systems protect against short, medium, and long-range threats. These layers are digitally connected, sharing data instantly across all units. It's a defense web designed to react faster than human decision-making. China's air defense strategy focuses on early warning and area denial. Systems like the HQ-9 and S-400 variants form a wall of missile coverage across its territory. Integrated radar networks cover massive distances, creating overlapping zones of detection. But the difference lies in reaction time. Israel's smaller geography and tighter network enable faster interception. China's vast area, while powerful in numbers, creates coordination challenges. In short, Israel specializes in concentrated defense. China dominates in strategic reach. So, who truly dominates air power in 2025? China holds the advantage in scale, resources, and long-range strike capability. Its hypersonic weapons, massive drone fleets, and growing stealth arsenal give it unmatched presence across Asia. But Israel's edge lies in intelligence, adaptive warfare, real combat experience, and superior integration. The F-35 Adir symbolizes Israel's philosophy: fewer jets, smarter missions. If the skies became a digital battlefield, Israel's innovation could outthink China's numbers. Yet if the war stretched over distance and duration, China's industrial might tilt the balance. Ultimately, Air Power 2025 isn't just a battle of nations. It's a glimpse into how the future of warfare will be fought through data, AI, and the skies above us. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Air Power 2025 Israel vs. China, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more global military tech breakdowns. Comment below, who do you think would dominate the skies in 2025? Your opinion might shape our next analysis.